In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add shipping to your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. From your dashboard, open the website that has your online store. In the left menu, click Fulfillment, then select Shipping. This is where you can manage your shipping locations and shipping settings. Click Add Ship from Address to create a new shipping location. Enter your business or store name, then fill in your street address, city, state or province, postal code and country. Next, add your phone number and, if you'd like, an email address for shipping notifications. If this will be your primary shipping location, enable the option to make it your default ship from address. After entering all the details, click Save to add the address. You can then continue configuring your shipping rates, delivery methods, shipping zones, and carrier options based on where you sell and how you want to ship your products. That's how to add shipping to a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.